Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial where we are going to be programming a light sensor, that is this one over here. And a light sensor can detect different levels of light and darkness. So let's go ahead and program it. Now the first thing we need to do is head over to motor and sensor setup. And unlike a on-off switch like the button and limit switch, a light sensor is actually an analog sensor. And it could give you a value between 0 and 500. 500 being absolute darkness and 0 being absolute brightness or something. So go ahead and take your light sensor and let's plug it into, let's say, port 3. And we're just going to call this one light. For the no sensor, we're going to switch that over to an analog. An analog just means it can have a range of values, so just keep that in mind. Press apply and then press OK. And now we're just going to say that when it is dark in the room, or when you cover the light sensor with your thumb, that it's going to make the motor spin. So let's go ahead and delete the limit switch one. And for the sensor value, we're going to switch that from button over to light. And of course, this saying a value equal to 1, if you think about a range between 0 and 500, I mean the odds of it hitting the value of 1 are very slim. So instead, let's just say if the light sensor is reading a value that is greater than or equal to, let's just say 350. Okay? That should be about a room being turned off with some lights on. So what's going to happen is if it's dark in the room, or if you cover it, that's going to give it a value of greater than 350 hopefully, and then your motors will spin. Else, nothing will happen. Okay? So give this a go, see what happens, and I'll see you for the next video tutorial. Peace.